Uh, Good afternoon, happy Panagbenga or Happy Baguio Flower Festival 2025. And I'm here besides my Christmas tree, but I convert it into a tree of sunflowers. Come and enjoy it. Thanks for watching my video and happy February and happy Panagbenga.